Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HONOR Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the HONOR Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. And once you open the app, you probably will see the health page. Now tap on device, and here you should see your HONOR Watch X5i. Select it, and now you have two categories, my watch face rather, and recommended watch faces. Tap on recommended watch faces, tap on more. This will open the watch face store, and here you can scroll through different watch faces, through the list of different watch faces, look for something you enjoy, and once you find the watch face you like, you can simply tap on it, then tap on the download button. It will start downloading and installing, and after it's done, it should be applied on your watch. As you can see, it was applied, and you can install multiple watch faces if you want to. And if you want to see the watch faces that are already installed, you can tap on me right here, and this is the list of the watch faces installed on your watch. At some point you will run out of space for them, and you will need to remove some of the watch faces to free up the space if you want to install something else. And to remove the watch face, you simply tap on one and tap on the pen icon right here, tap on delete, and the watch face will be removed, and then you can download more watch faces if you want to. And basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.